Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking for the best rear view mirror camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best rear view mirror camera to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is Bipocam ZD72. Specifications. Brand name, Bipocam. Aperture, 1.6. Weight, 550 grams. Input/output, Type-C USB. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video code, H.265. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3-5. Number 4 is H8 Front 4K 2160p Car DVR. Specifications. Brand name, Objpeak. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, AVI MP4. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Interface, AV-in, Wi-Fi, micro SD/TF. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Camera lens, Sony IMX415. As the item number 3 we've selected, Android 10.0 dashcam. Specifications. Brand name, no n-name _ null. Display, IPS. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Video format, AVI, MOV, MPEG-4, TS, MP4. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Samsung. Frames per second, 30. Number 2 is HGDO M210. Specifications. Brand name, HGDO. Aperture, f2.0. Input/output, Type-C. Maximum video frame rate, 30 f/s. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 11.26 inches. Chipset manufacturer, SunPlus. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Asdome PG17. Specifications. Brand name, Asdome. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video format, AVI. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 200 mega. Display size, 10. Chipset manufacturer, M-Star.